Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Google Home speaker slow response time, speed up voice commands. Fix 1. Restart your Google Home speaker. First, unplug the speaker from the power outlet, then wait for 30 seconds. After that, plug it back in and allow it to reconnect to Wi-Fi. Then test the response time with a simple command like, Hey Google, what's the weather? Fix 2. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Turn off your router and modem, then wait for about 30 to 60 seconds. Then turn them back on and wait until the internet connection is fully restored before testing your speaker. Fix 3. Improve the Wi-Fi signal. Move the speaker closer to the router and then keep it away from microwaves, cordless phones, Bluetooth devices, and thick walls. If you use a mesh Wi-Fi system, make sure the speaker connects to a strong access point. Fix 4. Remove extra assistant languages. Open the Google Home app, then tap on your profile picture. From there, go to Assistant Settings, then go to Languages. Now remove any languages you don't use and keep only your primary language enabled. Fix 5. Update the Google Home app and firmware. Update the Google Home app from your device's app store. Leave your speaker connected to Wi-Fi overnight so it can automatically install firmware updates. Fix 6. Factory reset the speaker. If only one speaker is slow while others work normally, reset it. Perform a factory reset using your speaker's reset button or model specific reset method. Set it up again in the Google Home app, then test its performance after reconnecting. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.